Good morning, everybody. I hope all of you doing well. Today, I am teaching hip open. Hip open postures very useful for the female. Hip open postures. It's also control menstrual problems. It's very useful for the female. How to adapt in your lifestyle. Okay, let us practice. Hip open class. We will begin warm up. ಇವತ್ತು ಹಿಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಿಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದದ್ದು. ಈ ಹಿಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಸನಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಬರೀ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದದ್ದು. ಎಸ್ nè tập rồi hâm rè nè khỏe sức khỏe hiểu không? Ok, đúng rồi. Ok, do butterfly. Yes. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಬದ್ಧ ಕೋನಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಮೊಣಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕಗೊಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಪ್ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We are moving our knees in butterfly bounded pose. It's help to keep free and warm on your hip portion. Okay, good. Namchang as catch your toes. Inhale. Exhale, gập lưng từ từ, mở ra hội tay. Đúng rồi. Inhale, hít lên. Exhale, thò ra ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾಗಿ. Inhale, hít lên. Exhale, thò ra. As inhale, นื้อเมยคาย 10 times. Exhale. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೆನ್ನು ನೋವು ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ನೋವು ಇರುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ತಮ್ಮ ನೋವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಅವರ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾಗಬೇಕು. Exhale. While practicing this movement, please be aware on your health issues. If you have back pain or knee pain, please try it as much as you can. If you feel more pain, do it little or skip it. Try to alternative pose. Nè làm gập lưng, gập gối, tấp nhẹ nhẹ. Đau lắm cầm làm. Hiểu không? Ok, ta làm hít lên. Thò ra exhale. Ok, stay here. Điểm sau. Thẳng lưng, chỉ thẳng lưng. 2. Keep breath. 3. 4. Tha làm thẳng lưng. 5. Nhẹ nhàng. 6. Hãy tay ra. Đúng rồi, mở ra chỉ, mở ra tay. Keep hand side equal to shoulder level. Just relax your shoulder and spine. Thalam hoi thai ลึง ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭುಜ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆನ್ನುಮೂಳೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ. hít tay lên, thó ra quay lưng quay vai, hít lên, thó ra quay lưng quay vai, inhale up, exhale twist right side, inhale up, exhale twist left side. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಲಗಡೆಗೆ ತಿರುಚಿ. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಎಡಗಡೆ ತಿರುಚಿ. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅಪ್, ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅಪ್, exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale. Stay here. ಆಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. While staying in the posture, breathe normal as much as you can. Nè điềm sáu hít thở nhẹ nhẹ, thả lỏng quan sát. Inhale hít lên, thở ra exhale. Okay, 1 2 thả lỏng, 3 4 5 comes out, 6 rồi hít lên. Good, đúng rồi. Hãy chẳng mở ra gập gối trên mày đô. Đúng rồi. Yes. Yes. Here we have to place your knee 90 degree. Yes. Đúng rồi. Chi quay nè, quay trừ chi ra tu ra. Yes. Here. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು 90 ಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 90 ಕೋನ 90ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಮೊಣಕಾಲುಗಳು 90 ಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಪ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಗಲಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುವುದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಂಗಿಯು ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿಯರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದದ್ದು. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳ ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. Nè, tập rồi á, béo đúng rồi. And also it's good for the pregnant persons. It's help to delivery time, to get delivery normally, and also good for the menstrual problem. Here home as hít tăng tay lên, thó ra gập lưng nhẹ nhẹ, thả lỏng. Đúng rồi. Hít lên, thó ra Okay, kéo lên. Hít lên. Thở ra. Hít lên. Thở ra. Hít lên. Thở ra. Hít lên. Thở ra. Hít lên. Inhale up. Exhale. Yes. Stay here. Đêm 6 chỉ one. Thả lắm. Kêu lớn. Tăng tay kêu hoài. While staying here, how to pull your scapula and lumbar. Feel the effect on your pelvic girdle. Feel the movement on your lumbar. 5, 6. Hai hôi tay xuống. Place your elbows, look front. Đúng rồi, chỉ gấp tay xuống nín chết. Place your elbow, relax. Breathe. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡೂ ಮೊಣಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ chị. Hít tay phải lên, nhìn lên quay lưng. Ok. Thở ra xuống. Hít tay trái. Thở ra xuống. Hít lên. 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 Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stay here. Keep breathe. 1. Try to push your hand as much as you can along with your breath. Press your left elbow maximum. 2. Khóe tay trái. Quay lên hít thở. Thả lỏng. Kéo hào. 3. 4. 5. 6. Gấp của đẩy tay 5 đôi trái. Đúng rồi, hồi tay xuống. Xoáy nhẹ tôi. Place your left elbow on the mat. Twist right hand around it. Catch your left thigh. 5, 6 rồi. Exhale. Xuống. Đôi tay inhale. Lên. Keep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quadai tay around your left hand, catch your right thigh. Twist along with your breath. Press your right elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale up. Okay. Now we finish butterfly series. So Chang Sigyo Bam Bam. Yes. Keep movement. Okay. They're done in butterfly series. Ok, chị đúng rồi nha. Hiểu không? Né tập rối ra 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 hầm đủ từ từ. Okay, when you prepare for the hip open postures, please try butterfly before going to do more advanced. That's help to make you flexible. Also help to open your hip angle in maximum. Okay, thank you.